Hello everybody, today we got this Wi-Fi smart camera here. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it, go over some of the features that we see here on the back, and just, go ahead and see what we think about it. Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and check out what we get inside. Of course, we're gonna have the camera itself, along with some instructions, power cable, along with some mounting hardware, and then just a couple of other accessories. Looking at it in the app now, so I'm going over the basic stuff. So you can of course control the what it's looking at, pan around with just the buttons on the bottom here. So here it lets you also go into like full screen mode, and so that really lets you see the quality. Can I zoom in? It does let you zoom in a little bit. Pretty nice. If you want, you can mute the audio. This mutes what the camera is hearing. It mutes it for you here. You can switch between high definition and standard definition as well. And then on these buttons here, this is to record a video. This is to let you speak through the camera. And then this one is to actually take a photo. You're also able to turn off and on night mode as well as put into auto mode. You can change the volume for the device. And you can also turn on or off motion tracking and motion detection. And there's even a private mode which will basically turn the camera off so it's not, seeing anything. Here's an example of the two-way audio. And then finally, here's an example of the notifications that it sends to your phone when it detects motion. Alright, so there you go. That was the smart camera. You saw that it has really good picture quality. It even has night vision, and that was very good quality as well. It has motion detection, so that if you're using this for like a pet camera or even maybe a security camera, you'll know when somebody's moving or something is moving. And it also has a two-way audio, so you can hear what's going on in the room, or you can also speak through the camera so that you can speak to your pets or your family or whoever it might be. So overall, it's a really nice camera. It has all the features that you would want. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so you could access it pretty much anywhere. And yeah, so if you're looking for a Wi-Fi camera,